Welcome to Podcast Name, where we dive deep into the latest innovations in technology and development. Today, we're exploring the world of GitHub, the leading platform for software development that has redefined how developers collaborate and build software. So let's get into it. GitHub has a plethora of features like GitHub Copilot, which acts like an AI buddy to help you write better code. Imagine having a personal assistant that understands coding languages, anticipates your needs, and suggests improvements as you type. That's what GitHub Copilot does. How cool is that? But it doesn't stop there. Security is a big deal in our tech world, and GitHub has integrated tools to help developers find and fix vulnerabilities in their code. Now, I know hearing the word security might conjure up images of password managers and firewalls, but it's so much more nuanced than that. As developers push boundaries, ensuring that security is part of the workflow is crucial. Have you ever thought about how many vulnerabilities can be hidden in just a few lines of code? It's a bit mind-boggling. And speaking of managing workflows, GitHub Actions allows teams to automate their processes, from testing to deployment. This automation is like having a smart factory. Imagine rolling out changes and updates without lifting a finger, just coding and watching the magic happen. It's a game changer for developers who want to spend more time innovating instead of managing. If you could automate any part of your workflow, which would it be? Let's not forget about discussions and collaboration outside of code. GitHub fosters a community where developers can engage in discussions, share ideas, and get feedback. Think about all the brainstorming sessions you've had. Now imagine carrying that energy into a virtual space where contributors from all around the world can chime in. Oh, and for those of you passionate about supporting open source, GitHub Sponsors is a fantastic way to fund developers directly. It's all about empowering the community to keep the passion for coding alive, and it's an exciting time for anyone who wants to make a difference through technology. Now, for businesses and enterprises, GitHub's enterprise platform provides one of the most robust AI-powered developer environments available. It's designed to scale, ensuring that companies can maintain efficiency as they grow. So if you're part of a growing team, this could really streamline your development process. As we wrap up, what I find most fascinating is how GitHub is not just a tool for coders, but a community for sharing knowledge and creativity in tech. It's wonderful to see how collaboration has evolved, moving beyond just code to discussions, sponsorships, and learning pathways. Well, that's it for today's deep dive into GitHub and its transformative tools. I hope you're just as excited about these technologies as I am. Before we go, I'd love to hear from you. How has GitHub shaped your experience in the tech world? What features do you find indispensable? Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for tuning in to Podcast Name. Until next time, keep innovating and coding responsibly.